Welcome back. We can create an integration with an autoresponder like Getresponse. And basically, we would make Getresponse the trigger, and we would make it so that the event would be when there is a new contact. We then click Continue. We would then make sure that our Getresponse account is connected to our Zapier account and choose it. In some cases, Getresponse will have you restart your access. You'll need to go inside of your Getresponse account and get your API key. Once our account is connected, we can then choose a specific list. Once we choose the list, we can then click Continue. We verify the contact information, we can then continue to go on to set up the action. And the action, we're going to use Skool. And in the event area, we are then going to select Invite Member. We are then going to click Continue. We are then going to click Continue. And then what we're going to do is we're going to select the email address. We can then choose the courses that the individual will be part of. In this case, we are going to say that the individual is going to be part of both courses that are available. We will then click Continue. And once we publish this particular Zap, this individual will become a member of our school as soon as they become a contact in our Getresponse account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.